Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best stand mixers for your kitchen, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Stand Mixer Professional KitchenAid Food Blender. This professional grade mixer comes equipped with a cream whisk and dough mixers. Featuring metal gears and a chef-friendly design, it's a must-have for serious bakers. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Kitchen Electric Mixer with Bowl 5L Dough Mixer. A powerful 1500W stationary blender, perfect for mixing dough and whisking ingredients. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning. At number 3. Snow White Tilt-Head Electric Stand Mixer. Professional grade and sleek, the Snow White mixer offers a 7L capacity, 800W power, and 6 speeds for precise control. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, it's a stylish addition to any kitchen. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. JIQI Stainless Steel Electric Chef Stand Mixer. Effortlessly whisk eggs, blend cream, or knead dough with this automatic JIQI mixer. Made of durable stainless steel, it's perfect for home bakers and chefs alike. At number 1. WEYOLI 1500W Multifunction Stand Planetary Mixer. High-powered and versatile, this WEYOLI mixer boasts a 1500W motor and an 8L stainless steel bowl with a timer function. Ideal for multitasking, it functions as a meat grinder, juicer, cake maker, and food processor.